Hi children, already we discussed some problems related to elementary geometry, right? Worksheet 1, 2, 3 also completed. So in this video we are going to discuss about the problems from worksheet 3A. Okay, so let us say that the first problem, if x minus 10 degrees is equals to 60 degrees, where x is an acute angle, then the supplement of x is, so already we discussed about this one, no, so this type of angles becomes under pairs of angles. Okay, already we know that what is that, sum of two angles is equals to 90 degrees, then we can say that each angle is complement to each other, each angle is complement to another angle, so we will call that two angles are complementary angles. What about that supplementary? The sum of two angles is equals to 180 degrees, then we will call that each angle is a supplement to another, or those two angles are known as supplementary angles. So we have to apply that one here. So see that what is that question again, x minus 10 degrees is equals to 60 degrees. What they given here, x minus 10 degrees is equals to 60 degrees. Okay, where x is an acute angle, yes, obviously x is an acute angle, then the supplement of x is, so first we need to find that x value here. X is acute angle, already they given here. Okay, just observe that what is the value of x, first we need to find out. Okay, so see here what is that, so x is equals to 60 degrees, let us transpose that minus 10 degrees into that RHS, then that one become as plus 10 degrees. So 60 degrees plus 10 degrees, so x is equals to 70 degrees. So what is the value of x here? X is equals to 70. That's what they are saying. X is an acute angle. We know that acute angle means the angle which is less than 90 degrees and greater than 0 degrees. So we will call those angles are acute angles. So here 70 degrees is acute angle only, no? Yes. So here after what they are asking, then the supplement of x. Now we got the value of x. Now we need to find out the supplement of x. Okay. So let us take that, let supplement of x be some y. Okay, here I am taking that supplement of x be y. Now we know that supplement of x means x plus y is equals to sum of these two angles is equals to 180 degrees. Then only we can say that x is the supplement of y, y is supplement of x. Now we know the value of x. What is the value of x here? That is 70 degrees. So which is equals to 70 degrees plus y is equals to 180 degrees. So from this one, what is the value of y? So y is equals to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees. Why? Because when you transpose plus 70 degrees into that RHS, then that one become as minus 70 degrees. So y is equals to 110 degrees. So what is the value of y here? That is 110 degrees. So 110 degrees is the supplement of 70. So x is that supplement of y. Okay. So what is that answer here? Y is equals to 110 degrees. So option 1 is correct here. So let us see the next question. What is that? If 2x plus 210 degrees is equals to 260 degrees, what equation they given here? Given that 2x plus 210 degrees is equals to 260 degrees. Okay. So after that, where x is an acute angle, here also they are saying that x is an acute angle, then the complement of angle x is. So just like that previous one only, here we need to find out that complementary angle. Okay. So before going to that, first we need to find that the value of x. So how to find that? So 2x is equals to 260 degrees plus 210 degrees become as minus 210 degrees. Okay, so here 2x is equals to 260 minus 210 is equals to 50 degrees. So the value of 2x is 50 degrees. Then x is equals to, so x is equals to 50 degrees by 2. So 2 ones and here 2 25s. So what is the value of x here? 25 degrees. Now we know the value of x, no? Already what they are saying here, x is acute angle. So here we got that x is equals to 25. That is acute angle or not? Yes, obviously. That is greater than 0 and less than 90. So obviously that is acute angle. So x is equals to 25. Now what they are asking, we need to find that complement of x. So again, just like that previous one, let complement of x, complement of x be some y. Here I taken that y is the complement of x. So what is the condition for complementary angles? The sum of those two angles should be equals to 90 degrees. So we know that x plus y is equals to 90 degrees. Clear? So already we know the value of x here. What is the value of x? 25 degrees. So substitute that x is equals to 25 plus y is equals to 90 degrees. So which is equals to y is equals to 90 degrees plus 25 degrees become as minus 25 degrees. So we will get this one as y is equals to 65 degrees. Y is equals to 65 degrees. 65 plus 25 is equals to 90 degrees. So again we will get that x plus y is equals to 90 degrees. Okay, so which one is correct option? Option 3 is correct one. Okay, so first which equation they given, first we have to observe that. After first what they are asking in that question, so we have to read that question properly once. Okay, after only we have to go for that answer. So see here, once again see this problem. First we need to find that x value, then only we have to go for that complement. Why? Because from the given equation exactly they didn't give that what is the value of x, right? So that's why first we need to find the value of x. After that only we have to go for that, we need to find the complement value of x. So see that next question. If two angles A and B which are complement to each other and they are in the ratio 3:2. So here directly they didn't give what are those two values, but those two angles are in which ratio they given here. Okay, so what is that ratio? Let us take that already they given what are those two values. A and B are two complementary angles they are saying. So given that A is to B, ratio of those two angles they given, that is 3:2. Okay, let us take that. Let here that angle ratios they given, but the angle we don't know that, right? So let the angle be some x. Now A is to B is equals to 3x is to 2x. After cancellation of x, x means some value, so some angle. After your cancellation these two angles with that same angle, then you will get again the ratio is 3:2. That's why taken here 3x is to 2x. Now which condition they given here? Those two are complement to each other. So according to that question they are saying that A plus B is equals to, complement means 90 degrees only, no, sum of two angles. So A plus B value is equals to 90 degrees. Clear? So A is equals to here 3x plus B is equals to 2x, which is equals to 90 degrees. So here 5x is equals to 90 degrees. So 5 and x both are in multiplication, no, so multiplication become as division. So x is equals to 90 degrees by 5. So 5 ones and here 5 eighteens. 5 eighteens 90 degrees only, no? Yes. So here x is equals to 18 degrees. Now we got that angle, no? So these two angles, somewhat those two angles are whatever it may be, those two angles divided by 18 degrees, then we will get the ratio is 3:2. Okay, now we have to find that what are those two angles. Now the angles are A is equals to what is that? 3x. So 3 into x is equals to 18 degrees. So 3 eighteens is equals to 54 degrees. So what is that first angle here? That is one of the angle is 54 degrees. Next second one, B is equals to 2x. So 2 into 18 degrees is equals to 36. Okay, so the second angle is 36 degrees. If you add 54 degrees and 36 degrees, again you will get that 90 degrees. Is it clear? Okay, let us see that next fourth question. If two angles which are supplement to each other. Previous one they given that complement to each other. Here they are saying that those two angles are supplement to each other. Now those two angles are in the ratio 2:7. Okay. So here again we need to find that angles, but here they didn't mention that A and B like that, right? So here we can take that any two angles. So let us take that, let the angles are A and B. Okay, now according to that question, what they given here? Given that A is to B is equals to 2:7. Here we can take that A is to B is equals to, just like that previous question only, 2x is to 7x. Here x is equals to, we don't know that what is the angle. Okay. After that, one more condition they given. Those two are supplement to each other. So according to that question, okay, what they given here? 2x plus 7x is equals to 180 degrees. Why? Because those two are supplement to each other. Okay. So 2x plus 7x is equals to 9x. So 9x is equals to 180 degrees, which is equals to x is equals to 180 degrees whole by 9. So 9 ones and 9 20s 180 degrees. So x is equals to 20 degrees. Is it clear? So x is equals to, what is that value? X is equals to 20 degrees. But what we have to find? Those two angles we need to find out. X value we know that. Okay, but here we need to find that what are those two angles. Okay, so what is that angle? First one is angles are A is equals to, what is that? 2x. So 2 into x is equals to 20 degrees. So we will get this one as 40 degrees. What is that angle? That is 40 degrees. Next, B is equals to 7x. So 7 into x is equals to 20 degrees, which is equals to 140 degrees. So what are those two angles? One is 40 degrees, another one is 140 degrees. So which option is correct here? Yes, option 1, 40 degrees and 140 degrees. Is it clear, children? Yes. So here onwards, just we have to read that question properly. Okay, till now which problems we did, those all problems also by seeing that question directly we can write. Okay, directly we can write that equation. But come to this one here, just you have to observe that which conditions they are giving. Okay, so if the supplement of an angle 5 times itself, here angles they didn't give, just they are saying that a supplement of the angle. So some angle is there, to that angle another supplement angle is there. The second supplement angle is 5 times to that first supplement angle. Okay, first you have to read that question properly. If the supplement of an angle 5 times itself, 5 times itself they are saying means let the angle be x. Let the angle be some x. So here supplement they are saying no. Two angles are there, those two are supplement given means those two are supplementary angles. So x plus the second angle condition given, what is that? 5 times itself. 5 times means we need to multiply this angle with 5. Then we will get this one as 5x. Okay, and we know that those two are supplementary angles. So which is equals to 180 degrees. Clear? So x plus 5x is equals to 6x, which is equals to 180 degrees. So here x is equals to 180 degrees by 6. So 6 ones and here 6 30s. Okay, 6 3 is 18. So x is equals to, what is that? So x is equals to 30 degrees. Okay, now what they are asking here? Actually, what is the complement of that x? Actually, they given the question is those two are supplementary angles. Now we got that one of the angle. Now which angle we need to find out? That one we got it. To that angle, now we have to find out complement. So complementary angle means sum of two angles is equals to 90 degrees. So again, let let the complement of x is some y. So x plus y is equals to complementary angles, no? So x plus y is equals to 90 degrees. So what is that x value here? 30 degrees plus y is equals to 90 degrees. So which is equals to y is equals to 90 degrees minus 30 degrees. So which is equals to 60 degrees. Okay, so what is that answer? So y is equals to 60 degrees. Option 1 is correct. Okay, once again see that question here. First what they given? The supplement of that angle is 5 times itself only they are given. That's why here I taken those two also having that same variable. Why? Because here they are saying that itself. Okay, that's why I taken here. In these two terms also I taken here only a single variable. I am not changing that. But here I taken that two different variables. Why? Because here they are saying that complement to that another angle. But they are not saying that complement of itself. Wherever itself given means same angle. But their ratio is different. Okay.